How often do you ensure the health of your animals as a farmer? Animals like donkeys are unsung heroes who play an essential role in the lives of rural communities all over the world. They are mostly considered as very important animals in their daily lives, especially those who purely depend on them for their survival. Today, we are going to venture into a journey of donkey health, a tale of hard work and resilience. As we venture into this journey, think of, if you were an animal, which one would you be in accordance to your capabilities and characters? Today, we have come across a farmer, Florence Samoei, who has a great experience in donkey rearing for quite some time.
Jina ni Florence Samoei, ama mama Chirchir. Ni mkazi ya kambi ya moto. Nimelea punda tangu 2012. Ndio kama kubeba maji, ama kusafirisha kama ni vitu, kama mtu anahama, hata kukondesha mtu inaleta faida bado kulipa.
Donkeys traditionally were used to carry goods, people, and even in farm activities. Today, as Florence says, she uses her donkey to fetch water, carry goods, and help those relocating, and sometimes lends the donkeys to people who need their services. Donkey seems to be very peaceful. Donkey seems to be what generates millions and the farmer loves animals. Regular care, attention, proper shelter, nutrition, due to the heavy work they are subjected to daily basis. Failure to this leads to health problems which have become very rampant among many donkeys, since many see the donkeys only as tools which should be only used without thinking of their maintenance and services they need to be kept in.
Tunanunulia chakula, tunawekea kwa store. Inakula na maji kwa wingi. Ukikosa maji, hiyo ndio makosa kubwa sana. Maji inakunywa kwa wingi. Demo inafanya kazi, demo anakunywa hiyo maji. Sasa ile inanyesha, tunaweka kwa shade. Tuvuda kukonja
says during the rainy seasons, the cost of rearing donkeys reduces since she doesn't have to purchase the pasture for her donkeys. She lets them freely graze from the field. During the dry seasons, when it's very hot and the grasses are dry, the cost of rearing donkeys increases a little bit. Due to the dry nature of the matter they are feeding on, they need more water to ease the digestion, but they need more water since they are sweating very much.
Sasa kama madhara ya punda, zingine ni mkali, sasa zingine iko na mateke. Na ikikula kama mahindi yesi kama ishaumwa na punda, haiwezi anza kushoot tena.
Just like human beings, donkeys too are given time to nurture their young ones, and this ensures their mother donkey regains energy again. It also creates time for early training for the owner of the little one for future use. This early training ensures the young donkey adapts to the nature of work they will be doing as time goes by. If you have never started practicing this for your donkey as a farmer, it's never too late. Start practicing regular and continuous health care for your donkey today, and you'll see the difference.